Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss theory of computing. The theory of computing, it is the mathematical study of the computing machine and their other capabilities. It is the study of the formal language and automata theory. किसी मशीन का प्रैक्टिकल यूज करने से पहले उस पर एनालिसिस किया जाता है, उसे हम थ्योरी ऑफ कंप्यूटिंग कहते हैं. चेस गेम इज़ द मैथमेटिकल स्टडी ऑफ द बार. पुराने राजा महाराजा चेस गेम का यूज करते थे, सारी की सारी बिहेवियर स्टडी करते थे, उसके बाद युद्ध करने जाते थे. किसी कैपेबिलिटी की बिहेवियर स्टडी करने ही थ्योरी ऑफ कंप्यूटिंग कहते हैं. द टीओसी इज द लेफ्ट ब्रेन ऑफ ह्यूमन माइंड. फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज, फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज, फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज. Formal language is the collection of string which for some condition a2 की power n followed by b2 की power n greater than equal to 1. जितने नंबर ऑफ a आएंगे उतने ही नंबर ऑफ b आएंगे. a2 की पावर n followed by b2 की पावर n greater than equal to 1. जितने नंबर ऑफ a आएंगे उतने ही नंबर ऑफ b आएंगे. I am putting n equal to 1, then AB. I am putting n equal to 2, double A, double B. I am putting n equal to 3, triple A, triple B. The format is must. Format is must. A pattern is meaningless. This is the formal language. This is the formal language. Automata. Automata is a Greek word representing machine. These are various models existing in the world. Existing in the world. Formal language classified four category. Four category. Formal language. Formal language. Classified four category. Type 3 language. Type 3 language or regular language. Type 2 language or context free language. Type 1 language or context sensitive language. Type 0 language or recursive enumerable language. This is the formal language. The type 3 language accepted by the finite automata. Type 2 language accepted by the context free language. Type 2 language accepted by the push down automata. Type 1 language accepted by the linear bounded automata. Type 0 language or recursive enumerable language accepted by the Turing machine. The finite automata categorize two category, DFA or NFA. Push down automata categorize two category, NDFA or DPDA. Linear bounded automata categorize two category, non-linear bounded automata or DL, deterministic linear bounded automata. Turing machine categorize two category, NTM and DTM. So I am going to discuss Chomsky hierarchy. I am going to discuss next topic, Chomsky hierarchy. Chomsky hierarchy. This hierarchy gives the noun Chomsky. Why it is known as Chomsky hierarchy? Type 3 language or regular language. Type 2 language or CFL. Type 1 language or context sensitive language. Type 0 language or recursive enumerable language. Type 3 language accepted by the finite automata. The finite automata is implemented in two categories, DFA or NFA. Number of language accepted by the deterministic finite automata or number of language accepted by the non-deterministic finite automata, the expressive power both are equal. By default machine है DFA, the expressive power both are equal. Type 2 language or CFL language accepted by the push-down automata. Push-down automata is implement two category, non-deterministic push-down automata or deterministic push-down automata. The expressive power or non-deterministic finite automata, non-deterministic push-down automata or deterministic push-down automata, the expressive power NPD is more. Expressive power is NPD is more as compared to the DPDA. Type 1 language or CSL language accepted by the linear bounded automata. The linear bounded automata categorized two category, DLBA or NLBA. The expressive power is undecidable. DLBA or NLBA expressive power undecidable. Turing machine type 0 language accepted by the Turing machine. Turing machine is implemented two category, NTM or DTM. The expressive power both are equal. Number of language accepted by the NTM, number of language accepted by the deterministic Turing machine, the expressive power both are equal. Both are equal by default non-deterministic Turing machine. This is format is the Chomsky hierarchy. The finite automata. Next topic, finite automata. Finite automata. Finite automata categorized two category. Language recognizer second one is the output generator. Output generator. Language recognizer two category, DFA or NFA. Output generator, Mealy machine और मूरे मशीन. Deterministic push down automaton practically use the pattern matching. Mealy machine and Moore machine practically use digital counter like flip flop. So first will I will discuss finite automata. Finite automata in which zero or more transition for each input alphabet. The finite automata categorize two category: language recognizer and output generator. The language recognizer categorize two category: DFA or NFA. Deterministic. I am going to discuss deterministic finite automata. It is the finite automata in which every state there is exactly one transition for each input alphabet. It is the 5-tuple structure. It is the 5-tuple structure. Q, sigma, delta, Q0 or F. Q equal to set of all possible state. Sigma is the finite non-empty set of input alphabet. Finite non-empty set of input alphabet. Delta is a transition function. किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टेट पर कोई इनपुट सिंबल अप्लाई किया मूविंग टू दी अनदर स्टेट. किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टेट पर कोई इनपुट सिंबल अप्लाई किया मूविंग टू दी अनदर स्टेट. दिस इज द ट्रांजिशन फंक्शन. Q0 इनिशियल स्टेज. Q0 बिलोंग टू Q. कोई ना कोई एक इनिशियल स्टेट तो होगी. Z इज द फाइनल स्टेज. फाइनल स्टेट. So exam point of view, GATE exam and UGC NET exam, GATE exam and UGC NET exam, any public sector exam, one question can ask for automata. Design a DFA that accept all string zeros and ones where the length of divisible by 3. I will discuss input on alphabet. The sigma equal to zeros and 1. This is the input alphabet. Language. First things where the length of is exactly divisible by 3. 0 0 0 exactly divisible by 3. 0 1 0 any combination. 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 so dot on finite है ना. So Q0 I will explain. Q0 0 length string, 1 length string, 2 length string and 3 length string. This is the final stage. 0 1, any combination 0 1 0 1. This is the question. This is the divisible by 3. Next questions I will discuss. Next topic, design a DFA that accept all strings zeros and ones with starting with starting with 0 ending with 1. तो सिग्मा इक्वल टू होता है 0 एंड 1. लैंग्वेज स्टार्टिंग विथ 0 एंड एंडिंग विथ 1. तो मिनिमम स्ट्रिंग इज 0 1. स्टार्टिंग विथ 0 एंडिंग विथ 1. मिनिमम स्ट्रिंग इज 0 1. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. any forward strings. तो Q0 starting with 0 0 ending with 1. जैसे ही फाइनल स्टेज पर 0 आएगा देन आई एम गोइंग टू मूव इनिशियल स्टेज 0 starting with 0 ending with 1. Starting, this is the scenario of starting with 0 and ending with 1. So many students ask in the travel to the TOC subject. So then next topic is next question. Design a DFA that accept all string A's and B's where the length of at least 3. सिग्मा इक्वल टू AB लैंग्वेज AB एटलीस्ट ट्रिपल B AB एट सो डॉट ऑन है ना. तो एटलीस्ट है. तो Q0 this is a 0 length string AB 0 length 1 length AB 0 length 1 length 2 length 3 length AB. This is the final stage. तो the length of at least 3 then n plus 1. 3 के लिए 4 स्टेज n के लिए n+1. This is the scenario of at least 3, at least 4. So many question can ask in the exam, GATE exam, UGC NET, any public sector examination. So thank you. हो गया काम. मार साहब बंद करिए.
चल रहा है तो रिकॉर्ड चल रही है.
Next questions, design a DFA. DFA that accept all string of zeros and ones starting with 00. Zero QF Q0 is the initial stage. अगर यहाँ initial Q0 applied to 1, then I'm moving to the dash stage. This is the dash stage 0 and 1 है ना. 00 ending with 1. So many things and 1. This is the scenario of starting with 00. और दो मार सा बन हो गया, वो बहुत कर लिया.